Hello friends, welcome to this video. So in this video we'll be looking at another Markdown parser, and we'll be looking at how to convert Markdown into first of all HTML, and then we will be converting into the PDF document using PDFMake library, which is an open source PDF generation library in JavaScript. So you can see on your screen, this is actually the application. Here the user can paste the Markdown. You can see we have pasted the Markdown in the test area. Then we have a button out there. We can convert to PDF. So when I click this button, our Markdown is first of all parsed and converted to HTML, and then it is converted to the HTML is converted to PDF. You can see the Markdown is successfully converted to PDF. So the Markdown parser that I'm talking about is Showdown. If you just type Showdown JS, it's a bidirectional Markdown parser, and it's used to convert the Markdown into HTML. And this is their GitHub repo, and we'll be using this library directly using a CDN. You can see we'll be using the CDN to actually use this library right in the browser. And for generating the PDF, we will be using this library, which is PDFMake, which is a very simple library, client-side PDF generation library in JavaScript. You can even use it in the server side as well, but we will be using it in a CDN. And also we will be using this library, which is HTML to PDF make. This is essentially a plugin which is used to convert the HTML directly into the PDF. So you'll be using this also, 63,000 weekly downloads. So now let's get started. All the source code that I will use in this video is given in the description. So first of all, what I have done, I successfully copy pasted all the CDNs which is required for this application. Showdown is a Markdown parser. PDFMake is a PDF generation. We have copy pasted all the CDNs right here. So you will find in the source code when you get this. And now to actually make the interface, it's really simple. We will use the container class of Bootstrap. Inside this, you will have an heading, Markdown to PDF app. And then we'll be using the form group class of Bootstrap, and here we'll be having a label where we'll be allowing the user to actually enter the Markdown. So here we'll be telling the user to enter the Markdown. So then we'll be having a text area where we'll be allowing the user to simply enter the Markdown. We're giving an ID to it so that we can target in JavaScript. So we'll be also be giving a class here of Bootstrap, which is form control, and rows I will make it as 10. So if you open this now, it will look something like this. We will have this text area, and we also need a button. So it will simply say that convert to PDF. So you will have a Bootstrap class of btn primary, and we'll give it an ID here to this of button. So right here in the JavaScript, we will first of all target the button. We have given the ID here. If you see, we have given this ID button. So we will bind a on click listener. So when we click this button, this callback function will execute. So right here we need to get the Markdown which is entered by the user. So we have given the ID to the Markdown text area field. You will see Markdown input. So we will target this simply Markdown input, and we will basically get the value which the user has entered by using dot value. So this will give the value to us. Now you will be initializing the Markdown parser library, which is Showdown. So let me just see. I think I okay, let me just write this so that I can show you line by line what is happening. So first of all, we need to initialize the parser library inside this. After we got the markdown, so what we need to do, we need to initialize this markdown parser library. So this is Showdown that I already told you, Showdown, and it contains a function which is converter. So what this function will do, it will take the markdown and convert that into HTML. So this converter object contains a function which is make HTML, and here you need to provide your markdown. So markdown input, you will provide this as an argument. So now you can simply console log and check if the markdown has been converted to HTML or not. So here we are initializing the Showdown markdown parser library, and it contains a function here which is make HTML. So if you try to paste sample markdown, suppose I have already this markdown file, so I will simply paste this in the text area, click on convert to PDF, and if you check the console, you will actually see your markdown has been converted to HTML. So it is giving us the HTML right here. So now the job is very simple. We need to convert this HTML which we are getting into PDF document. So for that, we will be using that HTML2 PDFMake library, which will insert this HTML in the PDF. It will return this PDF for us, and now we can simply download or generate the PDF document by simply making a doc definition, and here inside that we will be initializing the content to the PDF content, and then we need to download the PDF document. So in PDFMake there is a function out there which is create PDF, and here we pass the doc definition and it contains a function open. So it will open the PDF document automatically. So if you now open this, paste your markdown and click on this button, and now you will see your markdown that you have entered. First of all, it converts to HTML using that markdown parser library, then it converts to PDF using the PDFMake library, and you can just see your everything has been smoothly converted and you are seeing your PDF document. So if you need the full source code, the link is given. You can get the source code in the description of this video. Thank you very much for watching this, and also do check out my free media tools website, which contains a lot of thousands of free tools related to video, image, and text. Check out this website as well. Please hit that like button, subscribe channel, and I will be seeing you in the next